In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Bitvavo. First of all, I want to say if you want to get the best fees available on Bitvavo, just tap the link in the description down below and create an account. So this way you are ensured you get the best fees available. But let's get started. So once you are on your Bitvavo account, either on your mobile or on the desktop, you need to search for USDT. So go and search right there and type USDT. As you can see, so USDT is basically Tether, and you can just tap on this. First of all, you need to make sure that you have enough balance on your account, right? Otherwise it won't work. So here you can see Tether. So you can see the price of Tether, so the historical price. You can filter it on 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, or all, as you can see. And if you want to buy Tether, you see right here, you see your available balance. So in my case, I have 15 euros right now on my account. And if I want to buy Tether, I need to buy Tether with a minimum amount of 5 euros. So let's pay, for example, 10 euros. So now what I basically do is I pay 10 euros worth of Tether, which is in this case around 11 USDT. So here you can see the spread. So the spread, as you can see, the spread is the difference between the best bid price and the best ask price of a specific digital asset as a given moment. And you see the fees. So this is in this case 3 cents. And here we can see different information about Tether. And all you need to do is just tap on buy. You can also change this. So if you want to buy, for example, exactly 10 Tether, just like this, you pay 9 euros and 4 cents. All right, just like this. Please keep in mind that you of course do need to pay fees. But one way to have basically less fees is by tapping on this right here, looking for more options, try promote. So what this basically is, when you tap on go, it redirects you to the pro version of Bitvavo, which is of course just basically free, but it's a bit more complex version of Bitvavo, and the fees on the pro version are lower because it's cheaper for them. So that way it is lower for you. So you just need to make sure you have the right currency selected, in this case USDT, and then you need to add the price. So you can either then you need to select buy, and you can either select a limit price or a market order. So limit order or a market order. Let's say market, for example, and how much euros do we want to spend? Let's say 10. Again, we have 11 USDT. And basically we need to tap on preview order, and you can see more information, as you can see, but that isn't necessary. Preview buy order, and then we just bought Tether in a very easy way and with less fees. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.